Good morning, students. I gave you introduction and formula of geometric progression in my earlier video. So in today's video, let us do certain sums on geometric progression. And in that first sum you see here, the second and fifth terms in geometric progression are 12 and 40.5. See man, when you have learnt arithmetic progression and geometric progression, you might get confused. So to remove that confusion, in the beginning only you put GP, such that it will be there with you, that it will indicate you always that it's a geometric progression sum. So now as we did in AP, here also we need to write second term is A2 is 12, fifth term is A5 which is 40.5. Okay, find the first term he is asking. So A1 equal to how much, and the common ratio means R equal to how much. Hence write the expression for nth term. So an equal to how much? Am I clear? So now where all can you apply the formula? You can apply the formula to this one. A2 is, what is an formula? A into r power n minus 1. To get A2 replace n by 2. So you get A1 into r power 1 equal to 12. Clear enough? Now a power 5 means in place of n you put 5 equal to 40.5. Now two equations I have. I need to get r and a, I can get them easily. How do I simplify these two means? Observe here, a r power 4 I can write r into r cube equal to 40.5. Why did I write like this? Because I have the value for ar. So in place of ar I can put 12r cube equal to 40.5. So r equal to cube root of 40.5 by 12, which is 1.5. Clear? We have different ways to simplify the two equations. You need to observe and choose the correct way, or else easier way. Now where do I replace this r to get a? I replace it here. So a into 1.5 equal to 12. So how much value for a I get? I get to be 8. Clear? Now I got the value for a and r. Furthermore, what are they asking us for? An also. So an equal to a into r power n minus 1. So in place of a it is 8. In place of r it is 1.5. Power n minus n, you leave it like that. So this is the equation for an, or expression for an. Am I clear with the sum? First you write all the given data and whatever he is asking us to find. Then apply the formula and simplify, you will get what he is asking. Look at next sum. Find the sum of first 12 terms of a geometric series. So he told 12 terms means n value is 12. And what do I need to find? Sum of 12 terms means S12 equal to how much? It's pretty straightforward. What is the formula for Sn? A into, is my r less than 1 or greater than 1? This is the sequence 3, 6, 12. So my r is 6 by 3, which is 2. You divide the number by its before number. So it is 2 greater than 1. So it is r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So in place of a, what do I have? 3. So 3 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So that will give me S12 equal to 12285. So this is the answer. Am I clear? He wants you to sum of these 12 terms, means S12 you need to find out. It's pretty straightforward, easier question. Sum of first 12 terms means S12. For Sn there is a formula. Just in place of n you put 12 to get Sn. So it is 2 power 12 it is. In place of n, if I put 12, I get the value for S12. Let us look at next sum. The first term of a geometric progression is 9 times the third term, third term is A3 of a GP. So write GP at the top is 9 times the first one. So 9 into A1. Clear with the first statement? Now, the sum of first 6 terms is, so sum of first 6 means S6 is K times, so K times the sum of first 2 terms, so K times S2. Find the value of K. Are we clear? We read the question, we wrote what he is asking us to find. Now, apply the formula. In place of A3, what can I put? You already learned AN formula. In that you put n equal to 3. You get A1 into R power 3 minus 1 is 2 equal to 9 A1. So what gets cancelled on both sides? A1, A1. My R value will be how much? Plus or minus 3 I get. For any square root we get two values. As I am repeating this in most of the videos. Whenever you are taking a square root, you will get two values for it, plus or minus. Now, next, where do I need to use the formula? Over here, S6 formula is A into R power n. So let me write R power 6 minus 1 by R minus 1 equal to K into S2 means A into R power 2 minus 1 by R minus 1. This and this will get cancelled, A will get cancelled. So what is K? R power 6 minus 1 by R square minus 1. Clear? Yeah, now when R is plus 3. So what is the value of K that I get? 3 power 6 minus 1 by 3 power 2 minus 1. When R is minus 3, only difference that I get is 1 minus 3 power 6 by 1 minus 3 power 2. Since R value is less than 1. Okay. So here I get K value to be 91. And when it is minus 3. So when it is minus 3, then also I get 91 only. It's not making any difference. So the value of K is 91. Am I clear with the sum? First just read and write in mathematical form. Then you apply the formula, simplify, you will get whatever he is asking. Clear enough? You should understand these sums clearly. Okay, look at next sum. The first term of a geometric progression is 270. So at the top better to write GP so that you doesn't get confused with AP or GP. First term is A1 which is given to be 270. And fourth term is 80. So A4 equal to 80. Find the common ratio. So R equal to how much? As we did in the first sum, here also the same thing. Nothing. A1 not much use if I apply the formula. I get A1 itself. On A4, generally the formula is A into R power n minus 1. So in place of A, put 270. In place of R, that's only you need to find out. In place of n, 4. 4 minus 1, 3 equal to 80. So R equal to 8 by 27 cube root. So which will become 2 by 3 is the answer. Are we clear? Okay, now read the next sum. The second term of a geometric progression is 12. So it's GP. How do I write second term by letter A2 equal to 12? Clear? Yeah, next. And fourth term is 27. So A4 equal to 27. Clear? Yeah, next. Given that all terms are positive, find the common ratio. So R equal to how much and the first term A1 equal to how much is what they are asking. Is it clear? Now apply the formula. to get A2 in place of, in AN formula, replace N by 2. So I get AR equal to 12. Same thing for A4. Replace N by 4. I get AR power 3 equal to 27. As I did in the first sum, I do the same thing here. R cube I can write R into R square equal to 27. Why did I do like this? Because I can replace AR by 12 here. So it is 12 into R square equal to 27. So R square equal to 27 by 12, which is 3 9s 3 4. So R equal to, I get plus or minus 2 by 3. He clearly mentioned all the terms are positive. So for the terms to be positive, R also should be positive. R cannot be negative. So R equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Now they are even asking for A. Where will I substitute this to get A? Over here. So it is A into 2 by 3 equal to 12. So A value you get 18. So we found A and R. Our sum is done. Whether it is AP or GP, it's easier. Read the question, write whatever is given, apply the formula and simplify.